Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, connect software applications and data sources to one another. Given the breadth of their reach, it's wise for organizations to engage in proactive API management, which keeps APIs running reliably and securely. API management incorporates many different tasks and processes. It spans API creation and API publishing and continues through the full API lifecycle through retirement. API management also involves monitoring APIs for performance and adherence to service level agreements, or SLAs. An API management tool typically handles these tasks, as well as functions like API security policy definition and enforcement, API configuration management, and the analysis of API usage statistics. One of the main benefits of API management is the ability to operationalize any number of API governance and security policies. For example, API governance should ensure that any API that handles sensitive data will do so with adequate protections in place, such as encryption. Agility is a further benefit of well-executed API management. The faster an organization can connect its applications and data sources to business partners and customers, the more agile it will be in the marketplace. In terms of how it works, the practice of API management incorporates a variety of components. Some, but not all of these, are run from an API management platform. As APIs go into production, the API gateway emerges as the central component of most API management programs. At runtime, an API gateway is a unitary point of connection between APIs and their clients. An API gateway is also usually a centralized point for API policy enforcement. An API monitoring tool is another component of API management. Typically part of the API management platform, the monitoring tool stays on top of API performance in real time or near to it. It measures API response times and alerts admins if an API is failing its SLAs. Lastly, an API Lifecycle Manager, yet another component of API management, lets admins keep track of API versions. It facilitates workflows that ensure that the right version of an API is in use. It's important to keep in mind, however, that none of these features are enough to keep your API secure from cyber attacks, which is where we come in. The Noname API Security platform not only integrates with API management tools, but also with security solutions like web application firewalls, WAFs, and security incident and event management platforms. We deliver real-time visibility into API traffic and flag APIs whose misconfigurations will expose the enterprise to cyber risk. Once anomalies are detected, we proactively trigger manual, semi-automated, or automatic remediation. Pretty cool, right? You can learn more about our industry-leading platform by visiting nonamesecurity.com.